Hey, what's up, Shibano holders? So this update is very important, especially for all holder, my brother, because if you want to be safe from loss, so don't do this mistake, I brother, and just and only watch this video. I hope, my friend, you never lost any crypto market. So this time, my brother, the Shibano is completely fails down. The prediction is needed, my brother, and absolutely the right prediction, not fake prediction. So kindly, my brother, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for this type more urgent and updates. So kindly subscribe this channel. Alright, come to the point, my friend. You can see this time the Shibano is completely fails down in the last 24 hours, minus 10.31% fails down. You can see here it's the completely direction is fails down, my brother. There is no option to they take a jump, but definitely it's possible, my friends, to after a very big jump, after a very big fail, my friends, they also after a very big jump, my friend, they fails down. So this time I hope, my friend, they cannot, if you cannot try, if you try, my friend, more much, then absolutely, my friend, there is no option to they fails down. So therefore I think I recommend you to kindly, my brother, kindly hold it this time. Absolutely, my friend, if you hold it, then the price is increased. When the price is going to be increased, then absolutely they give you very good profit. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price change and to be positive, my friend, and they give you very good profit. So Allah Hafiz, take care, kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. In upcoming days, remember today go in the moon and they starting moving upwards. So kindly subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.